Hello, welcome everyone for Tarot Guided. So what would be June's good news for you? You can choose from 4 different piles. One is love, equality, decision and peace. So meditate for a minute and check the time spins are given below. So welcome everyone who chose love. So let's see what the cards have for you. First we have the Hanged Man in reverse, 5 of Wands, then 5 of Cups and Page of Pentacles. Now with the Oracle card we have first chakra, Archangel Michael. Let me check this for you. So guys, there's a Hangman in reverse which indicates that you have to pay a price for your dreams, okay? Whatever you are thinking, you can simply achieve it if you do hard work. So it's more like the more you give in, the more you get, okay? You have to pay price for your dreams, you have to work hard. All the inner conflicts, whatever it is going in your mind, it will soon resolve. For the first week of June, you will have to put in hard work. Then second week you'll be in some trouble, you'll be in some conflict in your mind, but don't worry, it will resolve for you. Or there might be a fight with the loved ones, okay? But by the third week, don't look on the losses, look more on the gain, what you have gained, because it is indicating there's some reunion, okay? And don't worry, pleasure is on the way, a reunion is on the way. Just focus on the good thing, you will definitely gain from it, okay? And also the stability is also there. So we have Page of Pentacles and also we have Archangel Michael, which is also for stability. So you'll get stability by the end of June. So don't worry, June is a very good month for you. So thank you for the reading today, and do like, share and comment. Welcome everyone who chose equality card. So let's check what the cards have for you. So first we have 4 of Swords, then we have 9 of Swords, then here we have Knight of Swords, and then 4 of Wands, and also we have Goddess of the Moon by Oracle cards. So there's a lot of Swords energy. I'm predicting it might indicate air signs, could be Gemini, Libra. The cards are not very good. The June starting is not very good for you, although the June ending is quite better. But let's start from the starting. So June first week is all about being careful. You have to plan everything carefully. There might be some losses, or there might be some losses, or there might be an enemy. So you have to be very cautious, and there can be some delays in whatever you are planning. There can be some delays, and also there can be a deception from loved one, or could be from your career or work, and you have to plan carefully for it, okay? And yes, there could be a friend who shows that he is a very nice friend to you, but he is not actually the one for you, okay? You have to be very cautious from him. It can indicate a conflict, or it can be a false friend, okay? You can be with him, but if you choose to not be with him, then it is the best option for you, because he's not gonna gain you anything, okay? But yes, by the end of the June, you will get full of life, you will be out of trouble, you will enjoy, you'll be with harmony with others, okay? And also with the Goddess of Moon, it is indicating that you will receive some intuition and insight. So go with your intuition, especially with this one, especially with the friend that we have talked about. You have to go with your intuition only. Your intuition is working for you, so plan everything cautiously, and don't worry if there are some delays, or there is some deception or anything, or an evil fate, but be careful of a false friend. By the end of the June, you'll have a happy life. That's all for the reading pile 2. So welcome everyone who chose group 3, that is Decision card. So let's see what the cards have for you. First we have 5 of coins, 5 of pentacles. Then we have the Fool card. Then we have 8 of pentacles, and then the Emperor, and by the Oracle card we have Contract. Alright, so Decision card. There is two pentacle cards. It might indicate earth signs, Virgo, Taurus or Capricorn. So the first card is indicating about a brief gain. There you might be in some business which have provided some gain to you, but eventually it's going to be a loss for you. Especially in the first week of June, you will have to go through a loss in your business or in your relationship. It could also indicate loneliness, okay? But don't worry, be hopeful and take things lightly, okay? Or you might take on another interest. These cards are showing taking on another interest, or a new business, new involvement into your career, or could be in relationships also. So I think you must take things lightly and don't worry. Whatever you have lost, you will gain it eventually. Your hard work will surely pay off, okay? Also, it is indicating you will get new friends also, a new friend group also. And don't worry, whatever you are going through will eventually pay you off. Your hard work will pay you off. You will soon be in some leadership or in some partnership. There is also Contract card. So I'm indicating that there could be a partnership, a legal authority or something that will help you gain authority and power, okay? That's all for the reading group number 3. Thank you for the reading. Welcome everyone who chose group number 4, that is Peace. So let's see what the cards have for you. First we have 6 of coins or 6 of pentacles. Then we have the Tower card. Then we have 4 of cups. Sorry, 6 of cups it is. The Devil card. And from Oracle card we have 5th chakra Archangel Gabriel in reverse. Okay, the 5th chakra Archangel Gabriel is for the throat chakra. So it specifically indicate blocks. Okay, let me check. So guys, we have first 6 of coins. Okay, so you can see the guy is giving something. Okay, so it is indicating that you have abundance, that you can get into something that praiseworthy works. You can get into charity or something in the first week of the June, and it will be a very nice card for you for first week. But by the second week there is a tower, there's a falling tower. It indicates deception, falling relationships. It can also indicate disgrace, or could be financial losses also. But don't worry, prosperity is on its way. And also you can be like you can remember someone from your past, or someone from your past can call you up or meet you. And also it can indicate that love is coming for you. Okay, don't worry if you have any fallout here, but love is coming for you by the 3rd week. And yes, there's a renewal of relationships, and happiness is on your way. But we have Devil cards. Okay, so Devil is basically like you can go for a shortcut, which can be very bad for you in future. So it is like something can attract you, but it is not good for you. So be mindful, whatever action you are taking, by the end of the June, be mindful. Think about it. Sound minded. Don't rush things, okay? Be calm and then think about it before you go for it. And we have 5th chakra Archangel Gabriel. Like I said, Gabriel is for throat chakra, which is expressing your emotions. But here we have it in reverse, means there's some blockage in your life, okay? You have to break through this, okay? Whatever the blockage is, you have to break through it. You have to express your ideas and your feelings. And also it can also indicate a physical throat problem. So all you can do is you can meditate with a blue light, because it's a 5th chakra which is for blue light. It is also indicating blue light here. All you can do is you can also wear blue clothes, okay? And you can also meditate in a blue light. That's all group number 4 for the reading. I hope you like this reading.